is more than just a celebration. It is a moment for us to pause and reflect on the journey we've taken together. So through challenges and achievements, growth and milestones, each one of you, our valued clients, partners, and team members has played an important role in shaping who we are today.
It's not just another ordinary gathering, but a meaningful moment for us to connect, share ideas, celebrate our achievements, and strengthen our bonds.
Maraming salamat po at nakapaglaan kayo ng inyong panahon para lang makapunta dito sa aming gabi ng pasasalamat.
Being united in one accord to thank and acknowledge each and everyone for being a partner and supporter of this company's vision of enhancing and advancing products innovation and development towards the goal of excellence.
What we have in ourselves is full of determination. Determination that we can able to make this company grow. At sa aming sipag at tiyaga ay naabot namin ito. Through our experience, knowledge, and expertise, we are very confident that we can be able to compete against our local and even our international competitors.
Sana ay patuloy nyo pa rin kaming samahan sa paglalakbay natin patungo sa mas maunlad na Skybird. We are very confident that our company's vision to be a world-class product and service provider by choice is within reach. Let's build with Skybird.
I just need to keep my space. You just need to find your way. All the tears you throw my way, I don't want to see your face.
We are celebrating our 12 years of existence in the industry. At yan po ay patunay na hindi po kami nagkamali. At maraming salamat po sa tulong ninyong lahat. Kaya kami umabot sa ganito.